Hi, my name is Austin. For my video, I chose to present building sections and how to become familiar with what's inside them. The first building section we're going over is right here. It is a cutout of this portion of the STC, and specifically we're looking at a ceiling detail that shows how the ceiling is hung from the second floor joist right here and supported by these metal beams, bars, and this right here is actually a ceiling panel. It's I measured it out and it is about 2 inches thick. Right there, if you can see it. Also in this detail is the curtain wall system, which is talking about a curtain wall is the glass that cascades from the top to the bottom of the building, and in this detail you can kind of see the gaskets right here, rubber, and also ventilation a little bit. That creates airflow and room to expand and contract when there's freezing temperatures and alternate weather conditions. The other drawing right here that was given to me as part of building sections is this one. It's a wall section, and you go to this and it will explain everything that's in here. This is right here, this is a shade, just kind of those roll up shades that can cover the curtain wall system, windows. Kind of cool.